I'm a little nervous.
Oh! Couldn't handle the pressure and he cracked.
What in the heck? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, baby! Oh, there's a cop.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing the Don't Hit the Egg driving challenge with Aaron, and we're also going to be reviewing his car, testing his driving skills and all of that. It should be a really fun video. So Aaron, tell us about your car. What is this car?
It's blue. It's a 2017 Audi Q7. Right?
Yeah, that's it.
I don't know that much about
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to my son-in-law's channel. That's kind of crazy. It's always crazy to call him my son-in-law, but subscribe to Aaron. He's got a great channel. Also, Ronnie and Aaron's like ship name. They've turned it into this whole channel thing. So go watch it. It's really fun. And sometimes a little cringy, mostly Aaron, but that's fine.
Yeah.
just to kind of reiterate, it is a 2017 Audi, and I'm gonna ask Aaron some questions about it here in a little bit. I'm gonna challenge him to see how many questions he can get right about this car, and also some trivia about Audi itself to see how well he knows the manufacturer. So we'll see.
I didn't know this was a test.
What is the top speed of a 2017 Audi Q7? Is it 130 miles an hour, 150 miles an hour, 170 miles an hour, 190 miles an hour, or 210 miles an hour?
I look at that thing every day.
Top speed.
210.
210 miles an hour? You think this car would go 210?
Hey, don't doubt my baby.
But the correct answer is, and this is surprisingly fast, 170 miles an hour.
I think you could do 210. We should test it
You
out.
could not. You would fly at 210, Aaron, and your aerodynamics. Okay, next question.
Okay.
0 to 60 time in seconds. Is it 5.7, 6.3, 6.7, 7.1?
7.1. 6.7.
Incorrect again. It is 5.7
What?
seconds. It's actually pretty quick.
Is that fast?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything under 6 seconds, I think, is a pretty decently fast car. Do you know what engine size this is in liters?
V8.
No.
6 liter.
No.
V6.
Okay, is it a 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, or 3.5 liter engine?
I've seen this number before. I've seen this number on the engine before.
It's on the back of the car.
Is it on the back of the car?
It is on the back of the car.
2.
No. 3.0. It's a 3 liter
Is that
V6.
really the
Yeah.
number on the back
It's
of the
right back there.
Oh, it is right here.
So how much horsepower does it have? Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
300 horsepower, 325 horsepower, 333 horsepower, 340 horsepower.
330.
It is 333 horsepower. That's the one you were trying. You just didn't add the other 3. So you did get it right. 330.
It's a bad 333 number, so that's, yeah.
All right, 333 horsepower, yeah. According to California state law,
Oh, I got this one.
what is the minimum distance you should stay behind when driving another vehicle? Is it 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, or 5 seconds?
What's a car length?
You have to just guess. You have to say
Okay.
2, 3, 4, or 5 seconds.
3.
That is correct. You got one right. Let's go, Aaron.
Oh, no.
Oh, your thing fell off. Wow.
Ignore that I'm here. Do not address me.
If we address you, we'd have to mail you off somewhere.
Oh!
Oh, you see what I did there? Okay. What do the 4 interlocking rings in the Audi logo symbolize?
Olympics.
No, it's not the Olympics.
That's a pretty good guess.
It was most people. I think most people with Audi think that the 4 rings kind of symbolize the Olympics. No, that is not
I
it.
knew it. I was like, that must relate somehow. No, 4 characteristics that they are proud of with their cars.
You're reasonably close.
4 creators. People who created it. 4 people who came up with it together.
You are close enough. I'm going to give you the point. It is actually Audi merged with 3 other manufacturers, and all these represent each of the other manufacturers that they merged together.
Oh, and they all went under Audi.
Why did you buy this car? What attracted to you this car?
The size.
The size of it?
Yeah. It's rated. I know a fact. I know a fact. Still today, it is one of the largest interior cars ever produced by Audi.
That is correct.
Yeah!
This is a very sought after car. Audi seeks you out all the time wanting
they
to
still
buy
try
it
to buy
back.
it all the time.
What's your favorite thing about this car?
The size, how I can fit Guppy and Ronnie in it. It's comfortable. Also, you know, I didn't buy this car.
Oh, you didn't? Who bought it?
My brother bought it.
Oh, that's right.
Alex bought it.
Was it a gift?
Well, he wrecked my last car.
He wrecked it or destroyed it on purpose?
Well, what he did was we lived in a parking deck and he cut a corner way too fast and the side of the car went just scooped it. Then he felt bad and then he switched it and then after he switched it, he started destroying it with axes.
Oh, that's what happened.
Yeah, and then he sold it to one of our friends. He still has it today.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, and what car was that?
It was a Honda
Accord?
2012 Accord.
Nice.
Don't
Very
ask me
practical.
questions about it.
What? You don't want me to ask questions about the Honda Accord?
Honda is US.
You know that the disciples drove a Honda Accord, right?
No, they didn't.
Yeah, the Bible says they were all in one accord. You guys may or may not know this about Aaron, but Aaron is tall. You're a big dude. You're 6'4".
6'5".
6'4". With shoes, probably 6'5". Yeah, you're pretty tall. I'm 6 foot, so that gives you an idea of how ginormous Aaron is. He's a big guy. So you barely fit in the Lexus, right?
Don't tell Ronnie this, but I don't like the Lexus.
She's right over there.
I'm right here.
I thought you said you got there.
And not to address you.
I hit my head all the time in that car.
Yeah, no,
honestly.
it's. I understand why, because like, one of the things that like was an eye-opening moment that I had been replaced by you was when I got in the Lexus after you guys were married, and I pressed number 3, which was my button, and it moved all the way back. I couldn't even reach the pedals. I was like, oh my gosh, man, my memory seat position has been replaced by you. So you need a big car, and that's my point. My point is you need something that's pretty spacious and stuff. So you ready for the next segment?
Yes.
Let's do it. All right, Aaron, we're gonna go and you are going to test out to see how fast this car is. You've never floored this car before.
I've never needed to. I switched this thing to sports mode, and then it usually goes fast enough without me having to do it. Have you been?
Okay.
Did you floor it in sports mode?
Yes.
You did.
I have actually floored it in sports mode. It's pretty impressive. And go, floor it.
Oh baby! That's like, whoa! It's like it's handling it. It's like meant to do this.
You're
Sorry.
a lot
Sorry.
faster than.
Sorry.
Nice. See?
I want to do it again. Whoa!
See, so you got a lot of pickup. Yeah, there's nothing to be afraid of.
I thought it was gonna blow up or something.
No, in sport mode, I mean, it keeps the revs a lot higher. But yeah, no, that's. Everybody should do that with their car at least once, so you know how fast it goes. But don't break any laws, like speed. Do it safely,
Yeah. Yeah.
and then you slow back down.
Oh, there's a cop. Aaron. I'm joking. You were questioning it, and then you saw my face.
You're a good actor. Good job. Jeez. This is what I have to deal with for the rest of my life, you guys. This guy right here. Which I'm
You're
glad to do.
welcome.
Good job, Aaron. Okay, so are you ready to do the Don't Hit the Egg driving challenge now?
I think I'm fully prepared.
We'll see how he does. All right, Aaron, are you ready for this challenge?
Yes.
Okay, so I've parked your car all the way down there by the cone. I've turned off the parking sensor so it will not tell you how close you're getting to this. You're gonna have to do it all by feel and sight, all right? So here's the rules though.
Okay. Oh, there's rules?
There's rules. So you cannot inch up to it. You have to make one stop. Does that make sense? So you can't just like and keep
So
going
like
forward.
doof.
You just got to come to a complete stop. Now you don't have to do it hard, but you just have to come to a complete stop.
Okay.
And not inch forward anymore.
Okay.
And then we're gonna measure to see how close you do it. So
Speed-wise, how fast can I come down this?
you gotta go fast. You gotta go a reasonable speed. You can't go too fast, but not like. You don't need to come blazing towards here. Like 5-10 miles an hour.
Okay.
All right, and then just come to a stop right here.
I'm so excited. As soon as I saw Ronnie and Nessa do this, I was like, I gotta do this. I gotta get on the Merrell channel and do it.
All right, we're gonna see how you do. All right, let's go down here to the car. Get you ready.
Come on, guys.
All right, so how do you feel, Aaron?
I'm ready to egg.
This will
Excel.
determine your status in the family, as far as your driving abilities. Everybody got 2 passes.
Okay.
So
me, you, then me, you.
no, just you twice.
Oh, me twice?
Yeah. And then I guess I should do it too to see if I can get closer in this car. All right, let's scoot over. I'm a little nervous. All right, are you ready?
Fast and Furious. Yeah!
3, 2, 1, go! See how he does? I'm nervous. Stop right there. Okay, hold on. Let's see how it is. 2 feet. You got 24 inches.
Dang it.
Okay,
really?
no, listen. Hey, that was better than Ronnie. You already beat Ronnie and Nessa both. You already beat them.
You didn't beat 20.
She got 39 inches.
Oh, but you should go next.
No, you got to go twice.
But then you're gonna. Okay.
You got it. I've already proven myself.
But not with this car.
Yeah, and it might be a little unfair because I don't get to drive it as much, but.
Oh.
All right, here we go.
I'm reversing.
Here we go, one more time, A-Rock. Let's see how he does. Actually, that was pretty impressive for his first time doing it. 2 feet, not bad. You ready? He is ready, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ah!
Oh, he's coming. He's really coming, here we go. Here we go, and, oh! Aaron!
Tell me something good.
7 3/4 inches, you beat me. What in the heck?
I was trying to hit
job. Good job, Aaron. That's awesome. All right, let's keep rolling. My turn. See if we can do it. Oh my gosh, I'm sitting so far back. Aaron, I gotta move this up. Okay,
honestly, did you think I was gonna get that close to you?
I did, actually.
Wait,
Really?
I kind of thought you would.
Okay, well, how are you feeling?
I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie.
Do you think you're gonna need 2?
We'll see. I'm gonna try to do it in 1 pass.
You're trying to beat me with 1 pass?
1 pass, indeed, yes.
I think he's gonna hit the egg. He's gonna hit the egg. He's gonna hit it.
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, ándale!
He's
Let me
so
go!
crazy. Did I hit it?
I called it! You were so close to stopping, and then you just had a last little... Poor egg.
Oh, I was really close. Darn it.
That was really close.
I hit the egg. Well, poopy popsicle.
What's my ranking in the family now, Paul?
Well, you're number 1 so far.
Hey! You want another chance?
Huh?
Want another chance?
No, I don't. No, you did. You beat me, but I at least hit it.
I couldn't handle the pressure and he cracked.
Oh, that was the best one.
See? I can do puns.
So Aaron, congratulations. You are top of the leaderboard thus far in the Don't Hit the Egg Driving Challenge. Good job.
Thank you.
Proud of you. Very good. You have remained, you've kept your status in the family, which is good.
Yeah.
You're not embarrassing. If the girls, you wouldn't have beat Veronica, that would have been bad.
Yeah.
It would have been bad. That would not have been excellent.
I already used that one.
Yeah.
And you used that in your last video too.
Yeah, I did. So
for some new puns.
all joking aside.
Okay, that's new.
You see what I did
Yeah,
there?
it was good.
So that particular challenge for me wasn't what it was all cracked up to be.
Okay, 2 in the set.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Okay.
So it makes you just sit there and go, what the shell just happened?
Okay, give me a few more years. All
right.
That was...
Aaron, what did you learn about your car today? Did
Ooh,
you
my
learn
car
anything?
goes fast.
It is a lot faster than you think, right?
Like, it goes really fast. I didn't know that.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not only spacious,
quick.
but speediest too.
Speedy. Thank you so much, Aaron, for being on the channel today. We hug all the time. That was just, I wasn't expecting it. You smell good. Anyway, I do have another challenge that I'm gonna do with Aaron and Ronnie. One thing that Aaron is not good at is racing go-karts. So I am going to teach Aaron how to race go-karts and beat Ronnie, because Ronnie beats him every time by like a full 1.5 seconds.
There might have been one time where I beat her.
No, I don't think so. Anyway, we're gonna do that at some point. So anyway, subscribe to my channel. If you are new, hit that bell button to get notified when I post new videos. And if you love car content, subscribe. If you love fun videos with my son-in-law, Aaron, go subscribe to his channel. Also subscribe to Ron. It's a fun channel with Aaron and Ronnie. Oh, and don't forget Merrell twins too. So comment down below another YouTuber you would like to see me do these driving challenges with, and we'll see you guys next time.